Yep, that's me. I've always wanted to do that. I'm just letting everybody know that the intro is blurry, but the thing is that we're not here for me. Not at all. You guys clicked on this because you wanted gluten-free Thanksgiving green bean casserole, and that's what I'm gonna give you in this video. So I'm just letting you guys know that the intro is gonna be a little bit blurry. My apologies, but like I said, we're not here for me. We're here for you. You and your Thanksgiving feast. So please just deal with a little bit of the intro and then we'll get right into the video. Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I have my gluten-free green bean casserole for Thanksgiving. I was so upset when I first went gluten-free that I didn't think that I was going to be having green bean casserole anymore, and it's one of my favorite dishes for Thanksgiving. I don't know, something with the crunch of the green bean and the salty. It's great, but we were able to do it, so I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how I make my gluten-free green bean casserole. If you guys are new to my channel, I make a whole bunch of gluten-free videos that I will link a playlist down below, and if you guys are looking for any other Thanksgiving recipes, those will also be linked down below. So please go ahead, check them out. Let's relax this holiday season. We're able to have Thanksgiving. Us gluten-free, celiac, everybody, we're able to have gluten-free. Let's relax, let's enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you'd like to see how I make my green bean casserole, then go ahead and keep on watching. Now, who has green bean casserole without some bakey? Pfft, not me. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook up this whole entire thing of smoked bacon. I just get it from Walmart. It tells you that it's gluten-free. You can see it right there. And we're just going to throw this in the oven. Honestly, this is how I make my bacon every time. It's so much easier and they end up so much flatter. I don't know, it just makes it easier to like crumble together, and when you're cooking it on the stove, that thing likes to splat and splish and get all, you know, hot oil and spraying on you, and we don't want that during Thanksgiving. We don't need fire hazards. We don't need scars because this thing is burning us. So we're just gonna throw it in the oven. I just put it in at like 350 and I just let it cook and I just babysit it, that's it. And then we're going to cut some green beans. Now usually I do 2 bags of green beans, but since it's a quick little video, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog in the background, but since it's a quick video and I didn't have an extra bag of green beans, plus Thanksgiving is not until 2 weeks from now when you're watching this, so everything right now is a little bit scarce because everybody is buying, so we were only able to get 1 bag, but that's okay. We're going to basically like have them. If not, we're just gonna cut off the ends, but you can leave them whole like this. You can even use canned if you like. I just like them a little bit fresh. My husband loves the crunch of them, so we usually like to leave them not whole, but we like to have them more raw. Yeah, raw. But pretty much we're gonna cut off all the ends, and then sometimes I will have them, sometimes I will leave them the same. I just make them different texture, but it's completely up to you. Feel free, have freedom, do whatever it is that you please. And then I'm of course throwing away the ends. Of course I get the bag with the trash, but I don't get the pot that they're going into, where we're gonna blanch them for a little bit. But you'll see it right now. It's popping up right there. See? We're gonna go blanch them. We're only gonna blanch them for about 2 minutes, to be honest. Well, at least we are. It's up to you if you want them a little bit more on the softer side. My husband loves like the freshness of them that are still inside the casserole, so that's completely up to you guys. And once we blanch them, we're going to drain them and then pat them dry. Just lay them on a paper towel. And then I get gluten-free cream of mushroom. You can get them at Walmart and you can also get them at Kroger, so it's completely up to you which one. I like the Walmart brand better, but Kroger's is also just fine. And then these French onions are gluten-free. You can see it in the corner. And my creepy shadow, just like a scary movie. I look like, I don't know, Michael Myers or something with the shadow. And then we're gonna put 2 cans in a bowl, and then I'm adding a little bit of beef stock, only because that's what I have on hand, but you can use whatever you want. You can use water, you can use milk, go for it. And then we're also going to just kind of crumble up the bacon and snack on it a little bit. That's okay. Remember, with the 2 cans of cream of mushroom, I'm supposed to have 2 bags of green beans. So you can do 1 can, but most of the time it's 2 and 2. So I do 2 cans of cream of mushroom and 2 bags of green beans. So when I showed this, I forgot that I only used 1, but we're gonna pretend like there's 2. So just letting you know. just pretend like there's 2. And then we're gonna pour some of the cream of mushroom in there, and we're gonna mix it all together. And then we're also going to add the, I was gonna say French onions, fried onions. And then we're also gonna put that on top and kind of mix. And then we're going to do the bacon and then mix again. You can do it all at once. I don't know. I've been making it for so long. I have like my routine. And so I do it separately. If it's a little too dry for you, just keep adding some cream and mushroom. That's also a good reason to have 2 on hand at all times, because if it's ever too dry, you need to add more. So yeah, usually, like I said, there is 2 bags, and because of that, it usually absorbs so much more, but of course not. And then these absorb a lot, and also so does the bacon. So just give it a good mix, and then we are going to pop it in the oven at 350, and we're just once again going to babysit it. Usually I leave it in for about 20 minutes, but that depends on the texture of the green beans. If you want them a little bit harder, don't leave them in as long. And if you want it a little bit softer, leave it in a little bit longer. It's mostly up to you. It's to the texture, to your taste. You don't have to season this, to be honest. The bacon gives a crap ton of salt, but if anything, I would add some pepper. To be honest, it is flavorful the way that it is. Plus, with everything on the plate, honestly, trust me, it does no wrong. This whole entire meal does no wrong. Oh, also remember to top this with more French onions. I don't know if I got a clip of it, but we top it with some French onions. And then yes, like I said, throw it in and just kind of babysit. We just don't want anything to burn. You'll notice when it's done, when the crispy onions on top start to turn more of a golden brown than what they already are. Wow, I cannot talk today, but I'll show you soon here what it's gonna look like. Oh, see, I did get it, but it's blurry. Again, of course. Nice job, Vanessa. Whatever. We're gonna throw it in the oven, and then boom, look at that, crispy. Ooh, I love this meal so much. It's so good. You guys have to give it a try and let me know how you like it. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys are looking for any other gluten-free recipes for Thanksgiving, or just recipes in general, please check them out down below. I have a whole bunch of Thanksgiving, holiday, everything type of recipes, but if there's anything that you guys are wanting from me, please leave it down below. I will try to either make it as quick as I can before Thanksgiving. I'll try to get the video up to you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys have any recipes that you would like me to do before the holidays, then yeah, just let me know and I will try to get them up for you as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.